How to buy USDT on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy USDT in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance, and this is the homepage of the Binance website. Then register or log into your account, and then choose markets right here. Click on it like this, and it will take you to the markets page like this, and then choose USDT right here. And if you didn't find it here, just search here in the search bar and then click on it like this. And after that you need to choose the price that you want to invest or the amount of USDT that you want to buy, and make sure it's on buy option, not sell. And then click here, you will find buy now if you are registered to your account or logging it to your account. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.